muskox, remnants of the last ice age. Having grazed all summer, they've built up fat reserves that will enable them to survive the brutal cold of winter. And this makes them a prime target for other sub-zero specialists. Arctic wolves. The moon provides just enough light for them to see. This alpha female leads the hunt target in sight. If her pack is to survive, they need to make a large kill at least once every 3 weeks. The alpha female signals the start of the attack. They run at the muskox and the herd panics. The muskox close ranks. The wolves look for weakness. Charging risks isolation from the crowd. And that is just what the wolf pack wants. The wolves can sense victory. But the herd comes to the rescue. And once again, they close ranks. Most winter hunts end in failure for the wolves.